You cannot watch a WFP file. It is a project file from older versions of Wondershare Filmora. It only saves your edits. You must open Filmora and export to create the video. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's render it. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party WFP. File inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. A WFP file serves as a WaveFront project, encompassing project settings, audio data, and potentially other multimedia elements. It may also represent an audio export format from specific audio editing or production software. The exact structure depends on the originating software, but it generally contains pointers to audio files and project-specific parameters. The internal structure of a WFP file is proprietary to the software that creates it. It may contain header information defining the project's parameters, followed by data blocks representing audio samples, effect settings, and timeline information. Reverse engineering may be required to fully understand the file's structure for interoperability purposes. Most users will find that Turtle Beach WaveFront software developed by Turtle Beach Corporation is the best tool for WFP. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for execution. Windows provides partial information, so understanding the contents requires relevant tools. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the WFP file and select Open With. If Turtle Beach WaveFront software is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. The stubbornness of this WFP file requires decisive action. Run these specific tests right now to determine the exact failure point. First, use WaveFront software. Open the file using WaveFront Project Manager or an associated WaveFront application. Next, check dependencies. Ensure all associated audio data files referenced by the project are present in the correct path. Finally, export to WAV M3. Use the software's export function to render the project as a final WAV or MP3 file. When every program on your system rejects your WFP file, it's often a sign of a duplicate identity where different apps use the same three-letter label for different things. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you need a guaranteed fix, File Magic is essential. Its feature set includes instantly viewing a file's content, even when it's severely corrupted. Visit filemagic.com for details. If you found this solution to be the most efficient one online, please like the video and subscribe. Wishing you the very best.